In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create personal PayPal account. To get started, open the PayPal website in your browser and make sure you're on the correct homepage for your region. Once the page loads, look for the option labeled Personal. This is the account type designed for individual users who want to shop online, send money, or receive payments for personal use. Selecting the correct account type at the beginning is important because PayPal also offers business accounts for different needs. After choosing personal, move to the next part of the page and click the login button. This will take you to the sign-in screen where you can access your PayPal account details. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the form appears clearly before continuing. Now on the login screen, enter your email address and password in the appropriate fields. Be sure to type them carefully, especially your password, since even a small mistake like an extra space or incorrect capitalization can prevent you from signing in. If you're working on a personal device, you can take your time and double check the information before moving on. If you're using a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to be extra cautious and avoid saving your login details in the browser. Once your credentials are entered, click the Login button to continue. This submits your information and signs you into your PayPal personal account. Depending on your account settings, PayPal may also ask you to complete an extra verification step, such as confirming a code sent to your device. If that happens, simply follow the on-screen instructions to finish accessing your account securely. A quick tip while going through this process: always make sure you're on the official PayPal website before entering any login information. Checking the web address and looking for a secure connection can help protect your account. It's also helpful to keep your password private and use a strong one that's not easy to guess. And that's it. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to manage your personal PayPal account, review your balance, send or receive money, and update your settings as needed. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to access your personal PayPal account smoothly and securely.